Beneath the state government lies a dense, varied layer of local institutions that deliver the services most directly shaping daily life. 58 counties, 482 cities, more than 1,000 school districts, around 3,300 special districts, and 109 federally recognized tribal governments. The scale of variation is staggering. Los Angeles County governs more than 10 million residents with a budget over $40 billion, while a rural Sierra County may serve fewer than 15,000 people. Let's start with counties, the oldest and most constitutionally established unit. Here's the key thing about counties. Every square inch of California falls within one. Unlike cities, which are voluntarily created, counties are the default. They serve residents in unincorporated areas, and they serve as administrative arms of the state everywhere, implementing state programs in public health, social services, elections, and property tax administration. This creates a dual role that's central to understanding county government. A county is simultaneously a local government serving its own residents and an administrative subdivision of the state implementing state programs. And these two roles are in constant tension. As agents of the state, counties must implement state laws even without direct state funding, which creates the unfunded mandate problem. As local governments, they make independent decisions about land use, run jails, and operate hospitals. During fiscal crises, the state often shifts program costs onto counties without equivalent funding, squeezing them hard. The Constitution recognizes two types of counties. 44 are general law counties governed by the state government code. The other 14, including Los Angeles, San Francisco, and Santa Clara, are charter counties with limited home rule authority over their governance structure. But notably, a charter doesn't give counties broader power over revenue or budgets. The home rule grant is narrower for counties than for cities. Every county is governed by a 5-member board of supervisors elected from districts. And here's what distinguishes county governance. The board is both the legislative body, adopting ordinances and budgets, and the executive body, overseeing departments. This fusion of legislative and executive power in a single elected body is very different from the separation of powers model at the state level. Crucially, under Proposition 13 and related measures, counties can only raise taxes with voter approval, a simple majority for a general tax, 2/3 for a special tax, which means they can't unilaterally raise revenue in response to fiscal pressure